Welcome to this video where I'll just be showing you a way to do dubbing of video content. Say, for example, when you need to translate a video from one language to another. There are various solutions out there for helping one do that, but I think previously to now, a lot of people have been simply dubbing using Camtasia Studio or Windows Movie Maker, where they may be listening to the audio, the original audio, and then speaking in the language that they want to dub into. Basically, I think what I really want to look at here is I want to show you an improved method that allows you to easily sync your audio to the exact spot when certain things are supposed to be spoken. So I'll go ahead and I will show you how to do this in Audacity. There are great benefits from being able to work directly within Audacity and especially with the label subtitle system. So I will basically be walking through a couple of steps here where you will need to go to YouTube and you need to use Excel to convert SRT YouTube subtitle files into the Audacity label .txt format. So you may want to download the YouTube subtitles in the original language or in your language if they have already been translated, which may simply assist you in the translation process and the dubbing process. So I'm just going to go to this website here, and I'm going to download the subtitles from, I think, this particular video here. And so let me just see. So just yes, so I'm just going to look at this particular video here. So I've got it, and I'm going into the Khan Academy website here itself. So as you can clearly understand, this is to help one improve the dubbing process when one wants to dub Khan Academy videos. So I'm just going to paste in the URL here of that video. I got the YouTube link rather than the Khan Academy link. And I'm going to scroll down to my second native language, which is Swedish. So I'm just scrolling down here. Yes, I can see it. Download. So we've got it down here in an SRT file. Well, now I'm going to go to Excel. Right, so here in Excel, I've got, should we see here now? Yes. So just here in Excel, sorry, yes. So actually, I've come to the YouTube Audacity wiki page, and this wiki page will give you an Excel file that you will need to use to convert the SRT YouTube subtitles into the label TXT format for use in Audacity. So I think I'm ready with this here. Yes, so now I will need to open Excel, and I can actually just click straight on the Excel here on Google Chrome. So if I click down here, and that opens up, then right. Yes, so here we are. I'm just going to see here now. Yes. And what you will need to do is you see some instructions here on the left-hand side. You can follow them. Yes, so it seems to just prompt me on whether I want to enable editing on this spreadsheet. I do want to note that this doesn't work in Google spreadsheets, actually, in fact, this conversion function may work in OpenOffice, which is nice to know, of course. Well, the thing is, you need to enable micros. So as you can see, I went into the File Options menu here, and I need to click on Trust Center. So micros are basically the function to be able to enable sort of scripts within your Excel document. And what I'm going to do here now is click on Micro Settings, enable all micros. So that's what I want to have. So if you have problems with a banner coming up and asking you whether you want to enable the micros are disabled, but it doesn't give you an enable option, then I've just shown you how to do so. Yes, so I'm just going to see here now. Okay, so I'll just pause for a moment, and I just need to check if the microphone is working. So yes, I seem to have selected the right microphone, and that's working fine there. You can see the nice little green mic. So I'm just going to continue recording. So I've got my Notepad SRT file here in this rather condensed mode, condensed SRT file. So I will just copy this out from Notepad, and it will format itself properly with a rich paste in to format things in the Excel file. So yes, I've done a special paste. That's what it's called. And did I already get it in there now? No, I just hovered over. I have to click on it. Oh yes, so there we wanted it. That's what we wanted, Unicode text, and we've pasted that now. So all you need to do now is click on the SRT to the TXT file. Yep. So I'll do that, and yes, and we've basically got it already selected here in the green box. So I can Control C or right-click and copy. Here we go. Paste that in, and in fact, I'm just going to use this. It was previously an SRT file, but I'm going to File, Save As, and save it as a TXT file. This actually, I'm just saving it there. Yeah, I think I want to save it onto the desktop. So I think I'll save as, and yes, make sure it's in the right encoding, the UTF-8, and here we have it. Okay, and save that to the desktop. So the only thing now is to simply close Excel. No, we don't need to save that. Okay, and what we need to do is we need to simply open Audacity now. So I can do that by opening Audacity on my computer. So we've got it here. And I go to File, no, sorry, I go to Edit, Labels, Edit Labels, and now I simply import directly from the file that I want. Okay, so I think it's because it's encoded differently that it doesn't appear here on the desktop, so I need to select not just the TXT, but the all files, and then it should appear nicely, and it does work. It does import nicely there. So yeah, and that seems to be the correct file, and that's what I wanted to have. So yes, I'm just going to see here now. This will allow you to sync up very nicely, and this is a very sophisticated system where you're able to see when you are supposed to have some auditory input, and when you're supposed to continue reading and create that dubbed audio. So yes, just going to see here now. Yes, so I'm recording here now, and ingen är för smart. Vi startar alla från noll. Du kan lära dig vad som helst. So yes, this seems to be working fine. This is just really an example. So I'm just going to, yeah. Okay, so we'll stop there. And really what you're able to do here is do any kind of editing in the program which you've heard of or you probably already use, which is Audacity. And yeah, so you can just come in here and do some editing. Yeah, okay. Just standard audio editing here. And this is definitely a superior way of doing things, of doing dubbing, that kind of thing. So yes, and I will provide some information, a link to a URL which will give you information about then embedding this audio onto a video. That can of course be done in any movie editing software such as Windows Movie Maker or Camtasia Studio, and but I will provide some links to some online solutions for adding audio to video. So thank you for this video here, for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful. Thank you very much.